You're falling, not down a well, not off a cliff, but into a place where space itself bends and time forgets your name. What happens if you fall into a black hole? Don't worry, we'll explore it calmly. Black holes sound terrifying, like cosmic vacuum cleaners swallowing stars. But the truth is stranger, quieter, and far more beautiful. And if you fell into one, you wouldn't even feel it at first. As you drift closer, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head, not with a snap, but with a slow, gentle stretch. Scientists call this spaghettification. But imagine it like taffy being pulled into a long, soft thread. Your body wouldn't scream. It would unwind. And all the while, the stars above you would warp into a ring of light, a final halo before the edge. Here's where time plays tricks. To someone watching from far away, you'd appear to slow down, freeze, never quite crossing the edge. But for you, time flows normally. You'd pass the event horizon, the point of no return, in seconds, and you wouldn't even notice it. What's inside? We don't know for sure. Our physics breaks down. But some theories say space and time swap places. Falling forward might mean falling into yesterday or tomorrow. It's not destruction, it's transformation. Like a snowflake melting into a river, you become part of something deeper. The good news, the nearest black hole is over 1,500 light years away. You're safe in your bed tonight. And black holes aren't monsters, they're sculptors of galaxies. Without them, stars like our sun might never have formed. So in a way, you owe your existence to these quiet giants. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember the universe isn't just vast, it's gentle with its mysteries.
Now you can watch the absolutely satisfying visuals, and please subscribe and comment about what you want to see next.